He took out a big knife.
Yeah, I saw it also.
What the fuck? Balmont smells so much. The sunset. Yeah, the tree. Yeah, the drive is Jamaican, you know. We're going now to the immigration to get our passport.
I understand that they took our passport like we are a prisoner of Jamaica prisoners,
No, don't
you know?
say. But that's where we are going now because we don't have our passport.
I know you guys.
Good luck.
I watch you every day with Coco.
Coco.
Ah, yeah, he's there.
And Jizzy Bird.
Ah, you saw it?
And, what's his name? Name of
The one with Drizzy?
the one that went to Panama the other day with the old team.
It's Drizzy.
No, not Jizzy. Color TV.
Ah, it's the same Drizzy. It's like Drizzy.
Yeah. I watch you girls. I was watching you the other day when you were talking the Slack talking. And I know you are first. You.
Yeah, we're at the
You know the husband is
Bye.
Bye.
So now we are going to the immigration to get a passport, and I hope it will be quick because we have a flight. So good luck for us. We heard that we need to say also the bad things that happen, so overweight it is. So we transfer.
And we don't have money, you know?
So we just pass to other luggage. Oh my god.
Yep.
Yalla, we're getting our passports. So we didn't get the passport yet, but now we're in the duty free.
It's like we are prisoners of Jamaica. It's like we did really a bad thing.
Yeah.
The one on the only thing. We go to the immigration. We went to the immigration in order to extend our
Yeah, stay.
to pay.
To pay, but then we understood that it's too much money, so we decided to not do that.
And then we just pay a lot.
Yeah. So
Only
now
just
we're in the
to apply the visa. Yeah? Unbelievable.
We're looking maybe at maybe to get rum or something, white rum or something. I think Janelle got it. Here is Janelle. Hello. What did you get?
Rum.
Rum?
Yeah.
This is our partner for the trip.
How you do?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Link up, yeah?
See you soon. What did you get? What rum? Appleton or white? Appleton. Are you excited? First flight.
I have it there.
Salida. Exit. Oh my god. We have a long journey and we're hungry. I don't want sushi.
Oh, I'm super hungry. It's about time to eat, guys.
Here is his drug.
There is something.
Now?
He gets a lot of money.
Yeah, now. Before that, he almost.
Because I slept in the airplane.
We weren't with the
And I didn't have a lot of energy.
Yeah, it's only because of the camera, by the way. This is his
A
drug.
little bit sleepy yet because I was
No coffee, no coffee. Yeah, he loves coffee and sugar, by the way.
but now I'm on rehab.
Right. Yeah, right.
No, sugar yes.
Yeah, a cake.
Coffee and tea.
Ah, okay.
I'm on tea.
Okay, let's get maybe
Herb tea.
let's get a SIM card. No?
Yeah, there is SIM card. This is.
This is the exit. Aww. Someone needs to pick us up, so we are waiting for this. And now it's 10 p.m. and we want to go put our stuff in. They gave to us with the passport. Crazy.
Like we are criminals.
Yeah. Seriously, and we didn't do anything.
No, we were good girls.
You remember that we draw money there?
Of course,
And
it was.
wow! we've been here 2.5 years ago. But everything, it was 1 in the night, like everything was closed.
And then we said, who is landing in one night?
In a dangerous country. This is the part that everyone loves to skip and just go and eat food.
Mr. Chapter, guys, welcome to the Yaman Girls channel. Subscribe right now. Smash the like button. Smash.
Look what a beautiful view. Look what a beautiful view.
Yes. View in the airport.
Smash.
This is the view.
This is the view.
The one who filmed is also the view.
We are on our way to surprise Chanel's friend that they haven't seen each other for 5 years. Woo! Woo! Now we are getting a sushi. We're getting a sushi and we missed it so much. It's so good. No one here knows English, so because I don't know how to speak Spanish. No español. No español. Shai is trying to make him to open the YouTube channel. This Coco boy.
I never bought this shirt.
Oh yeah, you know, it's okay.
Oh my God. Here is drag. Shai ordered 4 rolls. 3 rolls.
And by mistake, I also bought
Paid. Thank you, Father. Look at the Spanish. You don't understand it. Finally, we got our food.
In 3 languages. We got our food.
It was so difficult. They don't know English. Yo, literally 1 hour we were there, by the way. The sushi is nice, not more than that.
Nice is not, it's less than nice.
Less than nice.
Huh?
The girl is nice, not more than that. But you got our car. I hope it will be good. They are still there. No.
Total is without the rice. And the rice is not the tasty. No, Total doesn't come with rice. Really?
In the picture, the rice was. Wow. Lo masho. Not so good.
What?
Not so
Not
good.
tasty.
Not that good?
No.
Actually, it doesn't look.
No.
It looks very medium. Medium.
It's not
Because
so
of
good.
the rice.
Because of the rice. The rice is everything.
The rice is not
Not high level.
No.
That's spicy. Not that balanced.
No. But the sauces are good.
So it's
Yeah.
covered up on the side. On the. Yeah, it doesn't look. I see also the texture. Right? Mm-hmm. We can't see the level.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's let's call it John sushi. It's not like sushi in a normal place.
Yeah.
In a restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the
This is what we
street.
have at night time. So yes, we will eat and,
First night here.
it's close the corner.
Close the corner. Right, how much? How is it?
לא משהו, זה לא טעים.
Not good.
אנחנו מבינים את זה.
Wow, what a beautiful shot. You don't understand.
Now, we have to buy sushi next time.
Not here. But it's in the middle of the night, so it's okay.
I haven't eaten sushi for a long time.
Not so long. A few days ago.
I don't like the.
Not so good. Not good.
Where?
In Jamaica, and you paid like $1 million.
It was really good.
It was good sushi.
That's the stereo and how is it? But yeah,
No, not good.
Not vegetarian single?
It is. It's not so good. Spicy.
Not all the food though.
Spicy teriyaki. From Jamaica.
Oh my god.
So
The coffee, eh? Also.
For the coffee.
Oh, the rock.
Wow.
I will use it for hot chocolate.
Thank you.
Not chocolate, not coffee. I'm not a coffee lover.
Chocolate.
How not?
Hot chocolate.
Are you insane, man?
Oh, chocolate.
No.
Yeah.
Jamaica vibe.
It needs to be coffee.
Which one do you prefer?
No, which mine is better.
It's not
No,
the same.
the same.
It's not the same.
It's
No.
not the same.
It's not the same.
It's
Here's the more popular. This one.
Let me
Yeah,
see.
it's beautiful.
Yes.
This is also beautiful.
You're good. I like both of them. But
Yeah, it's better.
I love.
I like mine.
Yeah, I like.
I don't like yours.
thank you guys.
Well, this.
Yeah, like where?
Shit, we don't have no
What?
SIM to call them.
Yo.
It feels like
wanna buy it grown.
downtown. ¿Qué?
Colto.
What did he say?
He said like he will be responsible for the car. Something. Don't worry. He's responsible for the cars in the street.
He took out the big knife.
I saw it also.
What the fuck? I saw the knife and I was like, and everything is recorded. And he saw the camera like that.
Really?
Yeah. The knife was. Yo.
Okay, what are we doing?
You wanna go into
Yo.
the?
I don't know where are they?
What? Where is it? Is this?
Like we have a code.
This?
What's the number, Chen? Give me the.
Submit say if you have to drive forward, you can just drive out. You're too close to that.
Oh my god.
Just a minute.
This is the amazing Airbnb that we got. This is the hot tub, with a lot of water inside. Santo Domingo vibe, Smell. Yeah, that's what we're getting. This is the rooms. Coco Boy. 1, 2, and 3. It's pretty good, I think.